Good evening, everybody, and welcome to my blog. Tonight, we are you. I said tonight because you can see it's still light outside and sun is shining on my face. So today I'm going to make um, cake. The cake with pineapple and strawberry. It sounds like weird, but this is my style, and I already bought always ready bake of to make cake. So it's chocolate and the normal one like this. So let's start it. So I'm going to um, start with the normal one like that, and you see, as you can see, this is weird. Not weird, but I am very unique. Maybe I'm very different, and I will use the pizza plate. Don't you think this is cute? So anyway, let's start. One layer, and I have already whipped the cream vanilla cream, and then I will just a moment. Oh, I forgot. So this one, I will put this berry with black currant and raspberry together, and I will mix it. I will put it first, and then the whipped cream. So it sounds weird, but this is me. This is my style. This is how I make my own cake. So I'm not celebrating something, but I'm going to make this cake because somebody uh, will come on this weekend and wanna try my cake and whipped cream. He said that whipped cream two, and we make and spread. Anyway, how are you guys? I hope you have a good day and everything is fine with you. Yes, that is my wish to you every single day. So you see, and now, and I will put it this aside, and I will put the chocolate. This one, chocolate. Whoa, shaba, like this, and then one more, and this one, the crushed pineapple. Put it like that. Yeah. Have you seen someone making a like weird pineapple and berries and strawberry? Yeah, it is in one go. Maybe it's weird for you, but this is really gonna be a yummy cake. So here we go. Then a little bit sauce like that, and of course a little bit cream, cream, and then we mix it with this one again, and that is gonna be really. What do you think, guys? It's not finished yet, but hang on. So it's, and then we just put again the normal one and continue or repeat every single like that. So, and this is the berries, blackberry or raspberry. So, so just repeat it, repeat, and then cream again. So it's gonna be a really mix taste, but I promise you it's gonna be a really yummy. So, and then it's chocolate. The chocolate, oh, it's really, this thing is, this is what I like. This is already finished. And look, oh, it smells really yummy. So, lagay na natin ang ating pineapple and little bit juice. And then, the cream. So, we have to mix it with the pineapple. It's gonna be really delicious and tasty. So, I just put the last cake bread and raspberry and blueberry jam. And then I spread it in the other half because I'm going to spread the half the pineapple. So let's put the pineapple and the other half. Look at this. It looks yummy, isn't it? What do you think? So, and then they have this. Hop. And this. So, see, and then I will make it everything now, and then I will put it in the ref. And the last one is this one, the brown one. Look, guys, what do you think, guys? I'm not finished yet, but I'm going to put the whipped cream, of course, in this. Look, in the summer. So it's gonna be a really yummy. Wow. Ay, so and you know one thing, I put it here to make it, I don't have to put perfect, as long as it tastes good. So you don't have uh, to look it's perfect. That's me. As long it's tastes yummy. There is, if you buy something in the bakery and it looks really yummy, but it's not because of the look. So it's better to make it how you are. Not so. Of course, I'm very like that. I wanna be perfect, but sometimes I will put it like this. Oh, nag-ano na. Very makayat. O chocolate makayat. So, it's like I'm not professional, but I love doing this creation something. So, look. Do you think so? Amusin. We call that amusin. Yes. It's vanilla. And then we decorate with strawberry. I put like this. I told you I'm not very, so I'm just thinking of the way I will put. It's in the middle, but should be good. Should be okay. Like that. And like that. And like that. And like that. So I don't know how it looks like afterwards, but it seems like in the right way. In the right way. So this is not a Swedish strawberry. The Swedish strawberry comes to, oh, sorry, I saw that I have something on my hand. Rush. Because sometimes this summer, I don't know why I got a rush every time. So it's maybe allergic to something. Allergic. But not in the Philippines. So ganyan po ang ating ganyan, and ganyan. Uy, iba yun. Bakit iba pangalan ano nun? So, and different. Ay, para yatang ano. So, and I think it's enough like this. Yeah. Like that. And I just put something in this. And this one, maybe. So just for cover it for a while and many years. I think. Oh, sorry. I think I will cover this one so that it's masarap. Looks masarap. I have more in this behind. So it's gonna be a good day. Ooh. So the cake got my own word cake with a pineapple and strawberry. Uy, kulang pala yun. Ahiyain na siya. I'm gonna be a good day. A good day. Ay, nagkulang si Kwan Kaya mo na. Ito na lang harap. So this is my cake na para siyang cake nga. So, what do you think, guys? This is my weird cake. That's maybe somebody will say that this is weird. Weird. So, and here po sa pizza, pizza, I have the cake on the pizza plate, and it's really cute, isn't it? So that is it. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Bula! What do you think?